All-Stars! From the Arlington Public Schools website provided through our homepage, you can order Summer Mailbox Books. This website comes in a lot of different languages, so just by clicking at the top, you can have everything translated into the language that you need. Then you can either scan with your parent's phone or your iPad, or you can click on this link right here to get sent to the Bookworm Central website. This is where you type in your special code or PIN number and you start selecting books. Now, every student gets 10 books. I'm going to start by looking at the grade level, pre-K through 2. And I can look at different book titles and, ooh, here's one about Brazil. I'm really interested in Brazil. I'm going to click the blue button and add that to my cart. I can keep searching or I can go to another topic search. Ooh, look at this. This book looks funny. It's called Baloney and Friends. I read the description and I decide, yes, I want to add that to my cart. I do this again and again with biographies. Wow, so many people I recognize from class and STEM superheroes. I want to give it a thorough look. I don't just click on the first one. Oh, wow, Yayoi Kusama. I remember her from a lesson Miss Zaberer did. I want to learn more about her. Well, what about fiction? I'm going to go through fiction. Oh, here's a book about cats. I love cats. I'm going to add that to my list. You know, I can also use the search box at the top. I type in the word cats and I found all the books that are available that have cats in the topic. Maybe I want a nonfiction book, or maybe I want something else. I can also check out other grade level books, and I can find read aloud books that are great for me to read with my family. In fact, my family should be involved as I am picking out these books, such as Jabari Jumps, which I recognize from the Calming Corner, or Thanks a Million, which just sounds like a really good story. Now I have to make sure I go through and I pick, oh, cats. Wait, let me add that. I want to make sure that I add 10 books. If I add less than 10 books, well, I won't be allowed to check out. And I can't do more than 10 books. It's got to be exactly 10. So I'm going to go through all the topics and I'm going to pick out the books that are just right for me. I'm actually going to check out some older chapter books. I don't know. The Wild Robot sounds pretty cool, but I don't know if I'm ready for that book yet. I might just go back and keep looking. I can also type in topics or author names into the search bar. So I tried typing in some of my absolute favorite authors. Ooh, I know John Clausen. No books by him. What about Kate DiCamillo? Didn't find her. I know, maybe I'll just go back and search the topics again. I bet I'll find something that's just right for me if I'm looking with my family. Oh, this one's cool. It's about fostering cats. I think that's awesome, so I'm going to add it to my cart. Well, when I've got 10 books picked out, I'm going to go through and make sure they're what I want. If not, I hit the red subtraction button. When I hit next, I'm going to fill out all my information about my address, where I live, because the books get mailed straight to me. But once I hit submit, it's going to go through. So I'm going to hit back and check my books one more time. Hope you have fun, All-Stars!